Maya was 22. Bright, dreamed big, everything looked perfect from the outside. A good home, a steady job, a loving family. But inside, she was fighting a battle no one could see. The moment she woke up, her fingers reached for the phone before her lips whispered, Alhamdulillah, before Fajr, before prayer, before a single dua. The glowing screen was the first thing she saw. WhatsApp messages, Instagram, endless short videos. They filled her mornings and stretched into her nights. Just 5 minutes, she'd tell herself. But those 5 minutes quietly grew into hours. Sometimes she missed prayer times because she was still scrolling. She found it impossible to focus when she opened the Quran. Her mind wandered back to notifications. Even at the dinner table, or when family members were talking, her eyes were glued to the screen. One evening, her younger brother said, gently but bluntly, "You're always online. You never sit with us." Those words hit her like an arrow. That night, lying in bed with the phone in her hand, Maya felt hollow. Why was she so restless? Why couldn't she be present? The next day, while mindlessly scrolling, she paused on a hadith. 2 blessings that many people fail to value: health and free time. Tears welled up in her eyes. Subhanallah, was she wasting both? She prostrated and cried out to Allah, "Save me from this habit. Let my heart turn to you, not to this screen." Then she started to change. Slowly, kindly, but firmly. Maya set limits. Meal times, prayer times, and family moments became phone-free. She deleted useless apps and downloaded a Quran app and short Islamic reminders instead. The first weeks were hard. Her hand reached for the phone reflexively. Each time, she reminded herself, "If I conquer this desire, it will prove my heart belongs to Allah, not to a screen." After a few weeks, peace returned, the kind she hadn't felt in a long time. Her prayers became calm again. Tears came easily while reciting the Quran. Her family noticed and smiled. She was present with them once more. Maya learned that the phone itself isn't evil, but when it starts to control you, it can steal time, peace, and even the strength of your faith. She often told her friends, "Shaitan doesn't always tempt you with huge sins. Sometimes he traps you with small, constant distractions until your life slips by." She kept a verse in her heart: "By time, indeed mankind is in loss," and used it as a reminder to value every moment. Remember, the phone should be your servant, not your master. Protect your time, guard your heart, and don't let a little screen take away a big life. If this story touched you, please like and share. Subscribe for more short Islamic stories and reminders.